Age. What is your age? Because I am happy because I passed the test. Big. This is a big city. Camera. I have a new camera. City. I live in a big city. Dress. She wears a beautiful dress. Evening. I study English in the evening. Free. I am free today. Have. I have a question. Ill. He is ill today. Like. I like this song. Mother. My mother is kind. Old. This house is old. Police. The police help people. Remember. I remember your name. Street. The street is busy. Study. I study English every day. Teacher. My teacher is nice. Voice. Her voice is soft. Water. I drink water every day. Also. I also like music. Box. The toy is in the box. Class. My class starts at 8. Difficult. This question is difficult. Drive. I can drive a car. Food. This food is delicious. Great. You did a great job. Happy. I am happy today. Change. I want to change my clothes. Juice. I drink orange juice. Meet. Nice to meet you. Need. I need a pencil. Pretty. The flower is pretty. Quite. This room is quite clean. Real. This is a real story. Sad. She feels sad today. Spring. Flowers bloom in spring. Star. I see a bright star. Take. Please take this book. Yes. Yes, I understand. Action. His action is kind. Alone. I am alone at home. Breakfast. I eat breakfast at 7. Continue. Please continue the story. Dead. The plant is dead. Enjoy. I enjoy this game. Full. The glass is full of water. Garden. My mother works in the garden. House. This is my house. Journey. The journey is long.